He's about to pull up into a wing over and then come back down towards us. Captain of the aircraft is Squadron Leader Mark Beardmore, very experienced display pilot, displayed the Chinook for many years and has been displaying the Merlin for the last 2. This is called the Banja Luka Bunt. The squadron has 6 aircraft in Iraq, and this is a manoeuvre they use there at times. Also on board is the crewman, Master Air Loadmaster Paul Couchman. He's another very experienced chap with over 4,000 hours on helicopters, and he also has been in the display crew for 2 years. He's just returned from Iraq in the last 10 days, where he's been on detachment with the squadron's operation there in support of the coalition operations. Turn to the left through 270 degrees. He's going to arrive level at about 50 feet, facing you all. It's going to be a bit noisy when he does that. Then he's going to do a hover climb up to 800 feet, and then a pushover, 50 degrees nose down. He'll turn downwind, and then he's going to do a maximum rate teardrop turn. And now we're going to get our 15th full-size aircraft landing at Wood Springs Airstrip. 15th aircraft type which has landed here over the years. That was the braking stop they used. It obviously wasn't appreciated very much by our chauffeur here, but there we go. Out comes a little gator vehicle which crew uses for all sorts of purposes. Up goes the Merlin, transitions away in a max rate takeoff into another wing over. Merlin's size and speed make it... No. Make it ideal for a number of battlefield roles. It's used for special forces tasks, casualty evacuation, trooping, VIP flights, picking up roads internally, as you've seen, and externally. And it's a very impressive aircraft. It's very advanced aircraft. It has several computers which control the systems. The cockpit is a fully glass cockpit, which means that there are no conventional instruments. The information for the crew is projected onto the glass screen. This manoeuvre is called the Sqn sideways slip. Sqn was an airfield at which 28th Squadron was based in Hong Kong until 1997, when the colony was handed back to the Chinese. 28th Squadron actually has a long history. It's been overseas for longer than any other RAF squadron, 80 years of service overseas. From up at about 400 feet now, going backwards as he was, 50 degrees nose down again, and a dive back to about 150 knots, crossing cloud centre. And that's bringing us towards the end of the display. The aircraft's going to do this last flypast, and then we'll be finished with this display for the day. There is one more piece of local information I wanted to tell you, and that is that there are a large number of parts on board all the Merlins which are made in Cleveland, our local town. The firm Ampep PLC, an engineering company, makes all sorts of bearings, and they're fitted to the Merlin on the main rotor pitch control rods, tail rotor pitch control rods, the main rotor blade dampers, and many other parts of the aircraft. And they do help to make the aircraft work well and have a very maintenance-free life. Okay, that's it folks, give them a wave. They are actually going to go and land over in the field opposite the other side of the main road.